WCAG 2.1 Success Criteria 1.4.1 states that use of color requires that color is not used as the only visual means of conveying information, indicating an action, prompting a response, or distinguishing a visual element. Here's how you can implement it in code. In this example, the span element with a class error message is used to display an error message. The text is styled with a red color and bold font weight, which makes it stand out from the surrounding text. However, additional information, such as an error icon, can also be added to reinforce the message and make it more accessible to users who may have color vision deficiencies or use assistive technologies like screen readers. In this example, the button element with the class submit button is used to submit a form. The button is styled with a green background color and white text color, which provides visual feedback to indicate that the button is clickable. However, additional information, such as an underline or border, can also be added to reinforce the button's action and make it more accessible to users who may have color vision deficiencies or use assistive technologies like screen readers.